Hey guys, welcome to Walk with CS. I hope everyone's doing good. So today's video is going to be about a review on a range of product that I've been using for the last 2 months, I believe. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So the product that I would be reviewing today would be this M-Caffeine green tea detox range. So it did come in a box like this. So it has a face wash, face scrub, moisturizer, a night cream and a face serum. So let me give you a quick brief about what M-Caffeine is. So M-Caffeine is a brand, it is an Indian brand which has products which has caffeine infused in it. So they recently launched, and not recently, I think in the month of November or December, somewhere in that time, they launched their green tea variant. They have both skincare and hair care. Alright, so let's get into the product one by one and discuss about it. So all of their products are SLS and paraben free. They are dermatologically tested. They are not tested on animals, so it's cruelty free. And the theme of these green tea detox variant is somewhat like this, white and green, with white and green. Okay, so they have their face scrub, face wash, a night gel and the serum. Alright, so I'm using these products in my night care skin routine. So let's talk about the first product. So the first product is their face wash. So I love their color combination that they have taken for the packaging. So it comes in a tube like this with a flip cap which secures closely. This has a pleasant smell, and it is in a gel like format. Let me just show it to you guys. So it comes like this in a gel, which is very mild. It has a pleasant fragrance to it. This is a 100 ml tube and it is priced at $325. So as I told you, they do not have any parabens or sulfate in it. Alright, so what this does is it really cleanses the face really well, especially if you use it after a tiring day. It gives you that fresh feel instantly. So it removes all the dirt from your face and it detoxes your face. So the face wash is really good and I like the face wash so far. So the next product is their face scrub. So it has a similar packaging and it has a flip cap. So all of their products is for all skin types, and even both men and women can use it. Alright, so the consistency of the scrub is like this. It is a cream based scrub which has minute granules. It does not give micro tears on your skin, so you just have to take a little and scrub your face gently. So any physical scrub that you use, you always have to be very gentle when you scrub that on your face, else you will end up having micro tears on your face. Alright, so this is the consistency. Let me just give you. So it is a creamy consistency. So the scrub is really good. It removes all the dead skins and it does give a little glow after scrubbing the face. So I wouldn't say it takes away all the blackheads and whiteheads, but the scrub does a decent job. So it does what it is supposed to do. So it cleans the face, removes all the gunk that is collected in our pores and gives us a neat surface. So the next product is their face serum. So even this has vitamin C in it with green tea, and it also has hyaluronic acid. So vitamin C is good to remove all the patches that you've got due to the sun exposure, to remove pigmentation. It is a really good agent for the skin, and hyaluronic acid is very good to capture all the moisture in your skin. It gives that suppleness to your skin. Alright, so this comes in a very light weight. So it has a droplet like this. Alright, so if you guys see, I've almost emptied the bottle. It is almost empty. So I will definitely repurchase this because I like this product. So this is a very lightweight. So if you guys can see, it's a very lightweight serum. So let me take, the product is almost over, so I'm not able to show you guys properly. So this is a very lightweight serum. I hope it is capturing. So it has that light green tint to it. So it absorbs into the skin really well. It just takes couple of seconds and sinks into the skin well. It gives that calmness to the skin. So the best thing about this, since it's a gel based serum, especially for people who live in a humid place like me, or for seasons like summer, these products work the best. Because when you stay in a humid place, you tend to sweat a lot, so you want something which is very light on your skin, and these are the best products that I would say for your summers and for people living in a humid place. So the next is their night gel. So this is how it comes. So I just have to open, so you can see I've almost emptied it. So I've pretty much used the product. So even this is a light consistency night gel. Okay, it is a gel form. It absorbs into your skin really well. So all that you have to do is, after applying your serum, you just have to apply this on top of the, just pat your skin with it, and it sinks into your skin. So what it claims to give you a good supple skin. So it moisturizes your skin really well. It helps to detoxify your skin. So when you apply in the night and wake up in the morning, your skin would have that glow and that suppleness. So this is a really nice night cream to invest in. I definitely like this product. I used to use the plum green tea variant night cream earlier. Even it comes in a gel form like this. So this is a product equal to that, I would say. So I definitely would repurchase this product because it does work for me, and especially for, as I told you, for people who stay in a humid place like me, these are the best to use. So it's always good to use products which are more on the natural side, which does not have parabens, so that it doesn't damage your skin much. So it is good that you have a skin routine in place. No matter how busy your day is, you always ensure that you have one skin routine, a morning skin routine and a night skin routine, so that you take care of your skin. So I definitely liked all of these products from this range. They have a similar air care range in the green tea variant, detox variant. Let me tell one thing clearly here. This is not a sponsored video. I have paid and I've purchased this product for myself. I've also, in my previous videos, the empties videos, if you guys would have seen, I would have reviewed their cocoa body butter and their coffee scrub. So my reviews are very honest. I don't have to just say for the sake of it. So the review that I'm sharing with you guys is a very honest review. Until and unless I like the product, I'm not going to recommend it to you. And that's the promise from my end. So this is a very good range of products. So they are not very expensive. They range somewhere between 325 to 600 rupees. So the night gel range is about 575. Their face wash is somewhere around 375. So I leave all of the links and the price in the description box below. So I will definitely go ahead and repurchase these products because I like them. So you can just check. Please do a patch test before you try any of the products, because you have to take care of your skin. Now see, these products might suit my skin. That doesn't mean that it has to suit everyone who is watching the video. So this is a review that I am sharing about my skin. So I can suggest and share my review. I cannot say that this will definitely suit you or you have to purchase the product. It is your wish again. So always do a patch test. No matter what kind of skincare products that you buy in the market, do a patch test and see if it suits your skin. So apart from this, many of you guys had requested for a skincare video. So I would do a series of skincare, morning routine, night routine and a pamper routine. Stay tuned in to watch those skincare series that coming your way. I hope this video has been helpful, at least for those people who are planning to purchase these products. If you feel it's helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, share this video with your friends and families. Stay happy, stay positive, spread love. I will see you guys again in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.